Go get it, Lily. Good girl.
Very cool, yeah, good girl. Good girl.
Here, give it to Daddy. She's like, no, you'll throw it again. Come here. Give it to Daddy.
Cool. Has she done that before? She hasn't done that before?
Never.
That's cool.
I think she likes the water.
Buddy's like, I'll take it now. Get it, buddy.
Dude, when after I lost my fucking, or the nerve stuff on my leg, any little like this right here hurts it real bad. And so their nails feels like nice. Look at Buddy, you're such a bully. He doesn't want no one to play with it. He just wants to keep it up there. He does that. He hides stuff.
Yeah, that's what he did. He take it off with. You gonna bury it? Weirdo.
My stomach, man. I think I'm finally feeling a little better, but man.